Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're managing your crypto portfolio or just want to move funds seamlessly, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your Uphold account. You'll also need some BNB in your Trust Wallet to withdraw. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app and go to your wallet dashboard. Locate and select your BNB asset. It's usually under the Main Assets tab. Step 2. Once you're in the BNB wallet, tap on the Send or Withdraw button. This will open a screen where you can enter the recipient's details. Step 3. Before proceeding, switch to your Uphold account. Navigate to your BNB wallet in Uphold and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: make sure it's for the BNB Smart Chain network, as that's the most common one in 2025 for these transfers. Step 4. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Double-check that the network is set to BNB Smart Chain to match. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Step 5. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Take a moment to review the transaction fees. They might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 6. Hit the Confirm button to send the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Verify everything one last time before approving. After sending, the transaction will take a few minutes to process on the blockchain. Once it's done, head back to Uphold and refresh your account to see your BNB arrive. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use secure connections. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.